Vas-y. Hey guys, it's Holly and Hero who's just seen a bird. I've got something a bit different for you today. I have a chest of drawers that I decided to flip for the garden. So yeah, just like something a bit alternative for the patio, and I really enjoyed doing it. It was a fun process. Got a lot of advice from my mum on the gardening side of things, so got to give her credit there. But yeah, no, so enjoy seeing the process, and I hope you like the final result. the finished piece, guys. I hope you've enjoyed the video. I know it's a little bit quirky, but hopefully it's given you some ideas for your own gardens as well, and you've enjoyed seeing how I did it. I've planted strawberries in the top couple of drawers. I've got thyme in the middle, and then 2 different types of mint at the bottom. And then on the top in pots, there's a dahlia, some tumbling tomatoes and zinnias. So feeling very green fingered after that. Hopefully it all sort of fruits and flowers really beautifully, and let me know your thoughts in the comments below. I'd love to hear what you guys think, and if you enjoyed it, don't forget to hit like and subscribe so you don't miss the next one. See you next time.